who it is. It's all my favorite people. I was gonna keep this a little bit of a secret, but I'm out here. We're doing a drift event. My whole goal on this one is to be as cheap as possible. So I paid for the event. I drove the car out myself. And the other one is I have 2 sets of tires. I'm gonna try and get these to last all day. This event was hosted by Drift Buffet, put on by Drift Buffet. Skylar's gonna go out real quick. I'm nervous, but let the noisy car lead for a second. Forgot where we left off, but welcome. So drift event today. We're out here. Oh yeah, the Drift Buffet put this one on. It's only going to go for about 5 hours or so. So as long as I treat the car well, it should be okay. But we're getting ready to go out on track. Skylar just headed out. So we can walk up there and just get a quick lap, and then we'll get out there. There you go. Should we get the cobwebs off and get out there? Ah! Alright, since I'm under Miss Nelly and Skylar just went out, do you care to be on camera?
Not at all.
Not at all? Okay. So run it through. What do you
It's fun. It's fast. You gotta be careful with the transitions on the straight.
Yeah.
You don't want to overcorrect because then it's going to go right into the wall.
I don't think I'm going to do any of that right now.
My second one, I swung it wide.
Yeah, I saw.
And I had to let off and e-brake back into the transition because it just floated. I'm like, that's the wall, that's the wall. And it took off and went. But
hopefully I got it. I put this like 6 feet up and just held it. So I think we got good footage of you. But second time out felt pretty good. Did a real big e-brake pull, scared the hell out of me. We tried rolling my fenders a little bit more because this side's getting real gooey. Yeah, desperately next thing on this is gonna be over fenders, or I gotta run a smaller tire for the next event. Over fenders, pull them out. I do want to need to go wider, so that's going on. We're staying moderate. We're gonna see how long we can get on these tires before I have to change them out. That was one lap, and traction tread, all that is looking good. So I think it's about time to go back out. All right, I'm very disappointed in myself that I didn't bring my mount for the car, so I don't really have a lot of footage going on. So it's just a lot of reporting. And this side, we're still chunking pretty good. I really need to get the alignment. I need to get those tow arms because this side is covered. And it is really chunking up. There's a lot coming out of this tire. But what I'm really happy with is it's now 3:30. There's like an hour and a half, 2 hours left in today, and I'm still on my first set. I still have a brand new set of tires over there. So I'm very happy to know that, like, you want to keep going. It gets addicting. You're like, you get out there and you finally start doing the line and you just want to keep going with that line. But then by that time you're like 3-4 laps or so, and then it's back off. So yeah, it sucks, but it's saving a lot of money. Yeah, I think I'll get some footage on this next one though. I'm gonna go for a ride in Skylar's car, and I've been letting Auden kind of chill in the car, not focus on recording or anything. I wanted to have fun, but I think I might get her to put a little camera out the window so that we can get some action. So all right, for now, let's get some tires on Skylar's car. Is that what we're doing?
I'm trying to decide if I should. There's a tiny bit of life left.
day is coming to an end. Everything is slowly shutting down. Didn't get too good of footage. I apologize. Next one, there's a 2-day event, and that's the one where I will make sure that I have my camera set up correctly, stuff like that, so that y'all can get the sexy footage. Car did amazing again. Need to desperately fit better wheels. I need to fix this. I need to fix this situation right here. Especially because you get on this side over here, and it's just all over the car. Look at this. So, oh wow, yeah. So, I think that's definitely a big next. It's gonna take some money. We'll figure out something. Even if I have to run the stock IS wheels and just put good tires on those. That way it's sunken in, I'm not gonna rub. That might be the thing to do. We'll see. Either way, okay. Been a minute. I love you all. We'll see you at the next one. Take care of the ones you're with. What is it? Oh yeah, that's it. Love the one that you're with. And we'll see you next time.